Well, hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul, but this one is going to be just a little bit different. I got the ends on Coffee Break Planner. They are going to be in the next TPC sale, which is March 7th, and you are not going to want to miss it. It's like March 7th through the 11th, but the big old live will be the 6th, I believe. So keep in mind that you're going to want to go see them. And I'm going to show you these goodies. Nobody else has them yet. Okay, so when you order from Coffee Break Planner, this will be your freebie. And it has everything on it, all the information, even the next TPC sale, which will be the 11th through the 15th. This sampler not gorgeous? Look at the sampler. Is that not beautiful? Love it, love it, love it. Just love it. And even down to the little Facebook Live on Mondays. I cannot wait. All right, so that's your freebie when you order from Coffee Break Planner. If you spend $75 or more after discounts and before shipping, this is what you'll get, plus this. So, I mean, that's 5 full boxes, and she made sure that the other full box right here was not one of these so that, you have a whole week. Then you have the Monday through Sunday, and you even have the check boxes, which are so adorable. Let me put it up to there. Look at these colors, y'all. These colors are magnificent. And then she gives you 2 quarter boxes down here at the bottom. All right, so this is what you'll get if you spend $75 or more after discounts and before shipping, okay? Now, are you ready for this? Oh my God, I'm so excited. If you spend $100 or more after discounts and before shipping, let me rephrase that, you will get this, and then look at these note cards, y'all. You will get each one of these note cards. Look how adorable. Look at the eyelashes, y'all. I cannot stand it. Look, there's the second one. Look, it's so beautiful. Another one. Another one. Look, oh my God, the glitter look on there. It's so beautiful. And it's even more beautiful in person, y'all, I promise. And then that one. So if you spend $100 or more after discounts and before shipping, you get this. Okay, are you ready? Nobody else has seen this, so I cannot wait to show you. I'm so excited. This is new to the shop, and it will be released. It's called Under the Sea. Look at this. There's your full boxes, your check boxes, your quarter boxes, and this is all a la carte. So, if there's something that you don't like in your planner or you don't use, you don't waste your money. That's what I love about them. All right, and then here are your half boxes, some with deco in it, which I love. I love that she puts deco in some. Okay, so there's your rounded half boxes. Oop, Cricket's got it upside down. And then here are your square half boxes with the scenes in it. Look at those. Are they not precious? And then she gives you all these quarter boxes on that sheet. Ready for this? These are washies, guys. Look at the washi. Look how beautiful. She gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of washi on that sheet. And then on this sheet, let me go find the other washi. And then on this washi sheet, if you like the smaller ones and the bigger ones, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you get 8 washis with that one. How beautiful are those washis? They are amazing, guys. I cannot wait to use this kit. Okay, then let me go back to this. There's your full boxes with your sidebar and your habit trackers for your sidebar in quarter boxes. Here is your large flags, your small flags, more sidebar with your words for your sidebar, deco, more quarter boxes, or a little bit smaller than quarter boxes. Here is your day covers. Look at those. How cute are those? And all of these icons. These are made just for Coffee Break Planner. Nobody else has these icons. Are they not adorable? Absolutely adorable. And so, like I said, this kit is called Under the Sea. This is an exclusive to Coffee Break Planner. You're the first ones to see it because they they are releasing this for the TPC sale. So they're going to be 30% off. So make sure that you are a friend of the Planner Collaborative on Facebook, because if you are, then you actually get the code an hour earlier. So go check them out. Okay, and then I'm going to go on to the next ones. This is new to the shop too, but I think it's already released. It's adorable, and I just can't with them. There's your full boxes. This is called Easter. Are those not precious? Full boxes with your full check boxes and quarter boxes, your full check boxes, sidebar, habit trackers, and quarter boxes, your large flags, your small flags, deco, your words for your sidebar or wherever, and your boxes. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. They are so generous. I love it. And I love that they give you two different sizes right here. See, that's the fuller and that's the smaller. Here's your day covers with your icons. Again, precious. I love them. I love them. Your full washi with an extra one down here. So precious. I can't stand it. Your your half boxes and quarter boxes. This one with the scenes in there. And then here is your half boxes with some with deco in it and some without. So that one's called Easter. Precious. Let me just put them all together. This one's called Coral, Plan With Me. This is another one of my favorites. I cannot wait to use it. Look at these colors, guys. I hope that you can see these colors as good as I can. Here's your full boxes, and I love this. Inspire. I mean, really, that's amazing. And your quarter boxes and your full check boxes. Your full flags, your small flags, your deco and sidebar. Your washi. Look at that washi. Look, bow washi with the paper clip. I love it. Your deco with your day covers. Or icons, excuse me, with your day covers. Your full check boxes, your habit trackers, your sidebar and quarter boxes. Look at the washi. I love it. Full washi right here on this sheet. Your half boxes with the deco inside in your quarter boxes. And then your half boxes round with some of the deco in it, some without. And this is called Coral, Plan With Me. Okay, now I've already filmed some more and I'm going to add it to this video at the end so that you can see it. But like I said, go check them out. You're going to want to see it. I mean, how gorgeous is this kit? It is beautiful. She's so generous. And like I said, you can get them a la carte or as a kit. You're not going to want to miss it. 30% off at the TPC sale. And that starts the 7th. So don't miss it. Okay. Stay tuned for the next ones. Look at this. How cute is that? I am not a morning person, but first coffee. Look at that. That is so cute. There are your full boxes and your check boxes, quarter boxes. Your half boxes, and some were with designs that I love. Your half boxes that are also with the designs that I love, and then quarter boxes. They give you so much, y'all. 4 things of bottom washi or top washi, whichever one you prefer. 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5 it looks like. Got an extra one over there. Some dot check boxes, habit trackers, quarter boxes, and smaller boxes for your habit trackers. Some functionals. I love these functionals. I use them all the time. And your day covers. And then another thing of bottom washi. Look at that, how sweet they are. These are a little bit thinner. These are a little bit thicker. I love these. Large flags, small flags. Again, for sidebar, important reminders, calls, meals, work, errands, and meetings. And then some deco. Love it. This is so cute. This is an adorable kit. Y'all have got to go check them out. And they're getting the next TPC sale. So y'all have to definitely check them out. I think they're going to be 30% off. All right, and the second one I got, oh gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at here. I'm very busy. And this is playing with me. And then coffee and sunglasses. Oh, I love this. This is totally my colors too, y'all. I am very busy. Hashtag lifestyle. There's your full boxes and your dot check boxes and quarter boxes. Oh my gosh, I love these. Your half boxes. More half boxes. Oops, I did have it right. More half boxes and quarter boxes. Again, so generous. Your bottom washies. Look at that. I am very busy. Coffee and that one. Some more check boxes. Your sidebar. Your habit trackers and quarter boxes. Functionals and day covers. Look at those. These are awesome, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, more washi. Look at this. That's amazing. And then your large flags, your small flags, your sidebar, and some deco. And again, the same scripts. How awesome is this? I love them. These are for the Erin Condren too, by the way. But they do have, I want to say they have Happy Planner and Erin Condren. So y'all have got to go check them out. Like I said, they're going to be 30% off in the next TPC sale. And that it starts March 7th through the 11th. So be checking them out. She will be showing you more stuff. I think that they have new stuff released. And like I said, and every Monday night at 9 o'clock, go to Coffee Break Planner's Facebook page, and they will be on showing you new releases. And if you stay there, there's a chance for you to get all the new releases that they show that night for free. So go check them out. All right, I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed day. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I do all of these hauls and my Plan With Me's. And check out PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram, because I do put up all their sales even if I don't PR for them, which I don't PR for Coffee Break Planner at all, but I keep up with everybody's sales and try to let y'all know, because what's wrong with having the best of both worlds? Sale, stickers, they go together. All right, I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.